You are fast today. That again? Welcome, das war's, ja. Alright. So let's tackle healing ability. Still not Samba, come here. Do healing. Okay, so I will have a magical healing ability, which is on the water side, I guess. Makes not much sense because water side is more physical, but I would say that healing must be magic. Now the thing is, will I ever have a healing ability where it's physical? I mean, no one else does it. Should I do it? Healing with a medkit. I guess I will never have physical ones, so I don't... I'm not concerned about how they behave with strength. So I need to look into intelligence for this. Then again, how would I calculate healing? Since now we don't have a defense to lower it, the calculation needs to be adjusted to it so it scales with the damage. I guess I just don't divide by the defense. If I do it right now, it will be like a extremely large number. I need to look into how my damage was handled to judge how to handle the healing. Neko! Long time no see. Welcome, welcome. We are right now implementing the healing magic. In numbers, that is. What the hell? How? Why do you know that? You're not a weeb? How do you know? And who are the best? Definitely not me. You little shit. Don't spread fake news. I'm not a secret weeb. I'm a otaku. Even though not anymore, I would say, because I didn't watch any anime for like 5 years now, 6 years. Actually, there is probably none. But I'm just saying that so it sounds more proud, you know? Maybe there is a difference. I wouldn't know. Well, it sounds more like I would be proud if I say I'm an otaku instead of a weeb, no? Doesn't matter if it's more, I don't know, a word to be proud of, but saying that I'm not a weeb, but I'm an otaku would sound like I'm proud, no? As in not the word itself, but that I'm denying the one to the other. Well, I guess. Anyway, where was I? Ah yeah, damage. So how did we calculate that get override of default damage? That doesn't matter. Get override or default of calculation values. Soft ratio, critical, that thing. And then calculate stat and then calculate damage value. And I do what? I already multiply here with damage and damage stat, which is the damage value of the ability and the stat of our Orpling, which is strength. Which means base damage multiplied by strength, and this goes to divided by base multiplies that multiplied by 3, defense multiplied by 3, defense 3, and this thing will be used to divide the rest. And gets our actual damage. Now if I do the same thing for healing, what would happen? Base healing multiplied by intelligence and divided by nothing. Now if I have like yeah, I'm not dividing, of course. It's dangerous. Watch me. I love to live dangerously, as you know. So if we say our base damage is 30 and our stat is 10, that is then divided by a defense stat 10 multiplied by 30, which means 1 divided by 1 equals 1 damage? Can this be? Am I stupid? I said 30, that's the problem. So 300 divided by 30, which means equals 10. 30 damage. Am I stupid? I mean, this is 300, no? And this is 30. Yes. So if I do the same thing here, I will get 300. So what I would need to do is divide that by 10. If we go with... if the strength is the same as the defense... Or do I divide it by intelligence? Huh. I want to get the same value healed as if strength and defense would be same. I could say like X. So would it then just be this? Multiplied by 3? Does this make sense? My brain just hurts by looking at this because it tells me this cannot be. Like I said, I want the healing to be equal in the amounts when the intelligence is the same amount of the strength, but as if the enemy would defend by the same amount of defense like the strength, you know? But it is now always like that. So just to have a rough same value as I would cast a damaging ability, you know? Just to have the same balanced number in the... Make an example. So let's see. We have a fire ability, yes? That has a base damage of, let's say, 30. Then we have the strength stat and the defense stat of the enemy. So this one is, let's say we have 10, but the enemy also has 10 defense. So this will equal to this damage, right? It will be 10. So now I want the healing to do the same thing as if the intelligence would be strength. No matter if I do 15 intelligence and strength 15, it should be the same value. And when this strength is 15, the defense is also 15. To have the same feeling of the value. It is hard to explain. Just to have the same range as the as of equivalent damaging skill. So in my head, this makes sense. Oh my god, nothing. But it has something to do with the attacking. I just want to be able to have like the healing one having a base healing of 30, having an intelligence of 10. So I take the 10 again here to have the value 10. So if I do the same thing again with 15 strength and 15 defense, the healing should be intelligence 15 multiplied by 15. Of course, the defense and strength doesn't need to be equal in a scenario. The intelligence cancels out, you say. You are right. Makes no sense then. So let's see. This is 450, I think. $45, so it's always 10. Makes no sense, I cannot use this. This was a stupid assumption of me. Of course not. But if I do this, now this is 300. You see? Instead of a 10 damage, now we have 300 healing. Yes. That's way too low. Also, we have... What do you mean intelligence equals heal? We have different kinds of healing magic. Some are stronger than others. I need to multiply or add something. I guess I need a factor. There's no other way. But I think this is maybe too strong. Oh damn, how would I... Yes, exactly. And it's not only a hyperbola, it's like a three-dimensional field, no? Because... Or am I stupid? I am stupid. Well, okay, we have three values, which is base damage, defense, and strength, but I think base damage doesn't matter in my case. So it is a hyperbole. Hyperbola? Oh my god, I hate that word. Damn. Well, yes. And this surface that I have here should be... this one should be near to that. It doesn't need to be exact, but still near. And we can only use intelligence for it. But is that a constant? I cannot use defense for it. Like, I cannot use wisdom. That would be very stupid. Would defeat the whole purpose of having a defense stat. Because then you just have a larger amount of health pool. There's no dynamic anymore. Damn. You know, I always come home and I'm like, oh yeah, I will implement this and I will implement that. And I am sitting here and I encounter the details. Shit. Nope. This needs solving. Like what? Maybe I have no other way than having something linear. What the fuck? Oh my god. Is this solved correctly? Oh, it would be... No, it's not correct. It would be like this. I didn't do this for a long time, man. Well, it's not an equation, that's the problem. Equation would be like this. I was still thinking two-dimensional, but it is three-dimensional. I wanted to get the values of strength and see what comes out, but I forgot it's three-dimensional and not 2D. Maybe I could set defense to a set value, but that makes no sense, because that will scale. Of course I don't. Yeah, I don't have to solve it. It is already solved. I was thinking wrong. No. No. No, that's extremely stupid. That's fine. And it doesn't matter. Others also solved this. There must be a solution to this. There is no limit for damage, which means there is no limit for healing. But they should feel the same at the same levels. Just have to scale it down, I think. Not sure what you mean. I think I need a curve, yes. I have the issue now that if I think about large numbers, this whole system just breaks apart. As in, let's say, endgame shenanigans, everything is done, you're just collecting points. Now let's say your strength is 500 and the enemy defense is also 500. I would need to make the curve for these numbers too. Should I allow these numbers even? Should there be a max level? Fuck, man. This will be hard to design. It will be hard to design since I also want, like, not only leveling, but after a certain amount of levels you reach a level cap. And then, if you want to make your Orpling stronger, you have to actually reset it to level 1, but it will have an additional number that goes up. So its base stats raise a little. And then you go to the max level again and then reset. And then max it again and reset, so it will get stronger and stronger and stronger. It would be like something like this. You get stronger, stronger, stronger. Maximum level. You drop down again. Stronger, stronger, stronger. Drop down again. Stronger, stronger, stronger. And it will get always higher and higher. Well, the thing is, I'm not sure how stupidly large this number can be. It could be exponential. This is not exponential right now. I'm not sure. That thing, I just know that I want a level cap, like, I don't know, 0 level and, I don't know, 20 or something, and or 30, I don't know, and then at some point here you can reset it down, and then this strength goes to your base strength in a factor that you can never get weaker by resetting. No. This has a little to do with the math, because I don't know how ridiculously large your numbers can get. Let's say we are level 20 and you have like 100 strength here, right? And then you have 120 at max, and then you have 140 or I don't know, 60, and then it goes to 200, and you just don't stop grinding. Of course, the player should be rewarded by grinding that much. So you have like this overpowered thing. Are there games without cap? Yes. Disgaea is extremely well example for this. And I guess in Disgaea you also have overflow, and they are embracing that. If your character gets overflow, your enemies get more overflow. That was a fun game. Can only recommend for people who want to grind. So I guess at some point we have to play around with curated stuff, as you said, like multiplied by a curve per stat number. Oh god. I would need to do that here too, maybe. Right now it would work somehow. But to have it equal to the healing, maybe I should do it there too. I guess checkpoints as in points of the game where it's important to look at. Yeah, I also think so. Alright then, let's not block and just implement this for now. Now where do I implement it though? Receive healing? Did I implement this? I did. Interesting, but I don't need this. I need this. Oh damn, she did? Alright. I already have everything implemented, that's funny. Alright then. Oops. Welcome back. Good news or bad news? Or neither? Good, good. Nah. Congratulations then. I see. I see. So she is extremely conflicted then. So it was the right choice. Damn. But yeah, it is a very, very tricky situation there, so. You are a fish, don't worry. A lucky bastard if you get through with it, that is. Why is their ability thing here? And why is it not here? What the fuck? Why is that? Come on! Okay, so we have this, this, and this, which translates to this, this, and this. Now, where did I implement my for each? Here. Abstract ability, do healing. Makes sense. So we go from here. Say do healing calculation. So we do then the receive healing, which is this. And this goes to the Arbling. And then we have to do the stuff here. I see. You're so stupid. You're so extremely stupid. And lucky too. Holy shit, man. And morally also corrupt. Holy shit, man. Why lucky? Because normally this never happens. I can see that. Well, you are on your way, I guess. So she just needs to clear things up. And then everything is fine. You promised me nothing to do on the side, right? While there's still something? do I now? I'm not sure about the gentleman, but yes, you are practical. So I'm rather scared. You catch my drift. Watch out, guys. He will snack your girl. This feels like... Should I go there? I'm not sure. Oh damn, this is getting dark now in my head. Wait, so I answered her. You know, the thing you're doing right now, it kind of feels like it is the second time. Just different. Oh god. I know. No, actually you're doing something. Last time you were not the one who was doing something. Yeah, okay. Holy shit. Watch out, boys. He will snack them away. Get override or default damage, so I would need just this. Wait, default damage, how do I get it? Local base damage. Local base damage by default. Ah, okay, I do need this. I shouldn't call this base damage then. Oh. So let's do that then. Let's copy this, go over to healing, do this. Boom. We have then the base damage, which is the healing, and the stat, which is intelligence. We have here. So all I have to do now is multiply this, and we're done. Maybe you didn't get what I meant. I'm not talking about that girl. I'm just remembering Georg. That's why I'm saying it's dark. Kinda similar. Just a little. Yeah, like I said. In that case, she did the move. But this different. But kinda similar. Fuck. Oh god. Okay, damage. Now the thing is, you have temporal damage and hard damage. I want to heal them differently. No, this time you did something. This time you went to the girl and said, hey, you know, I'm here, you're there. Are you feeling this? You say no, but exactly that happened, man. You little shit. Hey, lady. Oh no. Of course you need sunglasses indoors for that. And then you can, like, when you deliver the punchline, you just take off the sunglasses. Oh god. Oh god. You have like 0 game. Holy shit. But yes, I can see that you are Riz as fuck, and she's confused as fuck as well. Oh god, what have you done? That's the kids these days. Yeah, but alright, I'm missing the Orpling though. Oh, it's the internal stat? Why didn't that copy over? So, now we have the hard damage here and the soft damage here. It's fine if you're fine that it is forever in the archives, that is. What you say. just wait until I'm famous and everyone is like, wow, look, I found the stream. His friend, he's such a bastard. Oh no, are we doing that thing again where we laugh about things? I remember when we were walking in the train station and always thinking about these things. So stupid. Oh fuck. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. So, now how would I do this though? We will heal temporal stats and heart damage. Now is the healing output 1-to-1 to heart or 1-to-1 to soft? Is that so? Speaking of which, where is Neko? Are you still alive? What are you doing, man? What are you doing while listening to my stream? Being sneaky, yeah, but what is so sneaky? Are you cooking? Are you sleeping? Are you doing an essay? Are you studying for the monkey quiz? Ah, man. Which one? Retired Demon King. Is this a new one? Never heard of it. I see. Okay, let's play around this thing. My idea was that the offense side can inflict hard damage, which is firstly permanent. So after a battle you still have that hard damage. And secondly, it should stop you from regaining health. Because when you switch the formation and your Orplings are at the back side, they regain some health. And this regaining health is the temporal damage you did. Plus, I was thinking, by doing this, I give the formations a dynamic, because the fire and lightning formation, they will do hard damage, while the earth and crystal formation will not do hard damage. So if they inflict larger amounts of damage with soft damage, you can heal them, which makes your water and air formation particularly good against earth and crystal. Congratulations. On top of that, the resistance to status effects is lower with the defense orb links, while the water and air can inflict status effects even more than others, because they have so many skills there. But the offense is rather protected against them. Maybe I will change this somehow, because it feels a little bad if the one inflicting is also susceptible to it. But we will see about that. And what was my last thing? I had a last thing. Give me that. Ah, yes. The amount of soft damage you recover. Actually, it's not the hard damage inflicted for the offense. It's more like hard damage res. Does this make any sense? I had a little concept a year ago with this to make the 3 classes be a rock, paper, scissors kind of thing. So soft damage regain is good with water. Then hard damage resistance is good with earth. Which makes sense, because these guys should be not strong enough to kill them, and they do hard damage the most. Which means, of course, the resistance here is low, but I did not calculate for resistance. I did it the other way. I gave the ratio to the ability. Maybe I should add either remove the ratio from the ability, which I shouldn't. So we get rid of that. Maybe I should add for the elements or for the classes hard damage resistance. Oh. And then we have stat res, which is like, I don't know, 20% or 50% for the offense, 25 for healing and harassment, and defense has 0 resistance bonus. I know, right? This just shows that concepts don't need to look beautiful. I have more concepts like this. What else do I have? Or this? Wait. Isn't that beautiful? Can you tell what this is? Shouldn't be that hard. No. These are the formations. If you choose fire, red is on top. If you choose water, blue is on top. And the lower ones are, if you choose lightning, lightning is on top, but this is wrong. They need to be flipped. Because air is the other part of water, but if you flip the disc, water is on the other side, which is here, then yellow needs to be here. Do it, you say. Let me do it then. Like this. I have other things too. Like this. I was in VR chat and concepting stuff. How old is this thing? Can I see? No, it cannot. This is just the copy date. You can't do anything in that thing, man. It just looks crappy, but it is what it is. It is. So back to this though. So does the healing do one-on-one hard damage heal? Or is it the other way around? Soft damage gets healed one-on-one. And hard damage is divided by 3. I would guess this one makes more sense. Although then I have to implement that hard damage resistance, which would convert hard damage to soft damage back per hit. I would need to apply this. Where do I calculate hard damage? I do hard damage ratio here, and then I would need to get the ratio of the ARPling, like hard damage resistance, and then convert that, add that to the soft damage. I don't think she said it like that. It's like, cock, yes. Just, she says cock. How did you remember that? What? I guess you did. This is now the truth. Okay, then let's implement this, I guess. So we need to heal the temporal damage to 0, and the rest needs to go to hard damage, but divided by 3. In that sense, it will be hard to heal, but I guess this is something I want. Okay, so we get this. This is the healing value. We have to get a soft damage minus that. Or would it go? I mean, if there's no sprite, I will go with a Coke. Like I said, I normally don't drink soft drinks, ever. Only on restaurants. What's that? If the soft damage minus the healing is less than 0, then I have to cover the rest. If true, then the soft damage is 0, which is this. If it's true, then soft damage is 0, which is done like this. And if false, this value is the soft damage. Right? Here we go. Take this, do that, and our new soft damage is this. We get it here. The healing is subtracted from that. And if it's greater than 0, then we add it here. Else it is whatever. And by true, then we have to also do the hard damage, which is then the rest of that value divided by 3. And now, do we floor it or ceiling it? I guess we floor it because I want 0 healing to appear. Yes, exactly. What is it called? Wait, why is that not afloat? Why is this not afloat? Why is this truncating? Can I tell this to be afloat? Oh my god, this is so frustrating again. Okay, make literal float. Make literal float. Holy shit, this drives me crazy, man. Careful about what? Floor. Well, why is there no divide float? I mean, I need to add a fucking float. What if I have 2 integers and want a float as a... Oh my god, I could... Maybe I'm stupid, I don't know. So then... we do hard damage minus divided by 3. And if that is less than 0, then we say heart damage is 0. And else it is this. Alright, done. Can you do your hardest German accent while speaking English? I'm not good at those things, man. I guess I already have a German accent. I don't know how to exaggerate it. My brain doesn't function like that. I could try. Like German. I can try. Okay, alright. So we have this, or sis? How do I say that? This. We have this. Am I missing anything? B maximum. I don't need this. This is just getting something to die, which is not possible. But I should check maximum HP so it does not overflow. No, I don't need that because I only reduce damage. So we are actually done. This is it. We are done. This just needs to go here. No, it doesn't. We are actually done. Du hast gewonnen. Bisschen lauter aus der Nase geschnauft. Okay. What if I now do this? Oh! Now it works. This is so fucking stupid. You blinked? Do I need to repeat it in slow motion? Okay. So we have this literal float, and we now had it like here, the floor, which means this thing will stay. So I can, in slow motion. Wow. Amazing. I guess I just needed to get this to a float, which I couldn't because it was an integer. But yeah, whatever. So this is done. We could actually test this. Could go and see if this works. Let's see if it works. Can I? Right click where? Here? Oh, I didn't know that. Amazing. Okay, can we get this to float? And then can we do integer without this? Can we? Well. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I'm not. Oh! Oh! Ah! Reg mich nicht auf. Reg mich nicht auf. Ich reg mich nicht auf. Fuck. Alter, ist das shitty. What the fuck? Holy shit. Okay, never mind. We wanted to test. Oh god. Yeah, something learned. Never use that. Oh shit. All right. So now, if I press enter, the middle one will die. Hopefully after one hit. And then one of the others gets... No, doesn't get hurt. Or does it? So? What's the issue? Oh my god. Well, I think that's an issue of the user and not from Unreal. Oh, okay, now it gets... Which version of Unreal was he using? Now let's see what happens. The middle one has to die. After one hit, perfect. So the second should hit our little shroomy here. Angry Lars. This guy uses ability. That's not good. That's not good. Okay, we found one bug I have to consider. That is, a dead Orpling can still use abilities. But we have to change to lightning and see what happens. So, change lightning, enter. So now they will like try to attack them, but they will be not effective to kill any of them. Then they will attack our middle one and the snake. So our snake will have some damage on him. The middle one is dead. And our snake got attacked too. That means if I go here, our little snake, this guy should have damage. 67. So now if I switch to water, hopefully none of my Orplings die. And we can see if this one gets healed. Maybe I should have watched the temporal one too. So we can see both arenas in the middle. I didn't set that to stone. So the abilities are done. Maybe the water ability did not get triggered. I'm not sure. We have to see. But where can I see this? Is this an Orpling one or is this from Battle Group? No, this is Battle Group. Where is our snake? Where is our little snakey? Snake. Neck here. Neck. Here. This guy has a temporal. Has 8 soft damage. Let's see if the 8 soft damage goes away. Damn, it does not heal it. Does the healing actually only heal the front right now? That would be sad. So we go heal, multi-heal, and multi-heal goes to here. Check alive of competitor and add to array. Oh, that could be that it only looks for the front ones. But no, it actually looks for all of them. The Orplings. Fighting entity Orplings. So it goes here, looks alive. Whatever. So maybe I have to go to debug. Or what if it is set up wrongly? Multi-heal. It is correct. Oh, damage base 0. That's the problem. Let's say 30. Soft, whatever, we don't have that. Critical chance. There is no critical chance. Water and so on. Then it should be fine. Okay. And then do healing 30. Wait. It already has this, so it should take that. Interesting. How is it with fire? With fire we have 10 base and damage 10. Ah, that's why it didn't work. So I have a default damage, but I also have the override here, so makes no sense to have both in the same value. I could just get rid of this and make a 0 string or a null string, but here we should say not damage though, or in it is damage in that sense. Let's see how I am actually doing this. I go here, go with the payload in. Intelligence is added to healing calculation, receive healing, which is going here. And then we go here. And here we look for damage. The tag is not fitting. What would you call a value that can damage and heal? I don't have a better tag for this. I will keep it as damage then, even though it is healing. Or I could call it ability power value. That would make more sense, probably. Or just power value. PV. Should I change this to PV? Let's change it everywhere to PV. PV here. We go there, but PV here. Where else? Maybe with lightning. PV. You don't like the music? I mean, it is a horror game. Mildly horror. PV, 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 and then ability action struct is fine. Ability asset, no, where's our... There. Damage base is now power value. Am I using it anywhere else? Damage, that is. Power value. 2 damage, that's fine. Power value, power value. Power value. Power value. Now this should be fine again. And now we should also receive a healing, which is extremely larger than what the damage output is. So let's fight with lightning first so the enemies don't die. Then receive damage to our middle one and snake. As in, the middle one just says bye bye, I'm done here. Because he's dead. Hopefully. Please die. Okay, now the enemy attacks. And boom. Dead. And our snake gets hard damage and here soft damage. So if we now switch to our water formation, this should go to 0. And our soft damage should yeah, soft damage should go. Never mind. Happen. But why? Let's check our air. Yeah, didn't happen. We have to check the targets. Happens here. Should I just go and see what happens here? Check. Target area. We go to water immediately because I just want to see. Interesting. Oh, god damn it. That was a jump scare. I hate this so fucking much. Why would it just go out? They are all here. That's not the problem. But it does not go to do healing. It's called do heal. Ah, fuck. I am I? Oh man. Taking so long, man. Now let's see if this works. Hold! Make off damage. And then here, snake. $67. The 8. Go. Do your thing. Yes! It's healed! But it got hard damage! It is now 387 damage. Fuck. So stupid. Oh, my calculation. Do you know Bill Dance? No, I don't. So, of course, if we have an overflow, this value will be minus. The overflow must be multiplied by -1 and added here. So this will actually, because it's 320 of value, heal everything. Holy shit. The healing is way too strong right now. But it works, which is good. No, this time it works 100% forever. That sounds like a red flag. Let's get our damage in again. Exactly. So here's our snack. And please. Oh my god, please. Oh my god! There we go. So, snake, 67 damage. Snake, 8 damage. We go to water. This gets healed to 0, we know already. So all we have to check is this here. Plus the ability. Heal. Okay, and healed 0. Perfect. Works done. Now these guys will attack and damage the front one, which is our little slimy. No, not slimy, fishy. This guy. No, this guy. 28 hard damage. WM, I mean. WM, where's the WM? Fishy. WM. Soft damage 4. And 28. So if we do this again, this will be fully healed again. And boom, it's healed. Okay. Alright, healing is done. Perfect. Now for the MP usage. I'm not sure if I should begin it, since it is extremely late. But let's look how complicated it is and decide by that. We need to go to Battl controller to see where the charging happens. This guy, get Orpling ability type, which goes to Battl group, finds the charge type. I guess we also have to check if it has MP. And if it has no MP, it goes to jump up to this here, because it will do a very weak punch. Or maybe all Orplings have a default ability that they can use, like in the base thing, that they cannot change. For example, Tomati has an little flame attack or something that makes minimal damage. Or one of the lightning guys has a punch. What would a water one do though? It shouldn't heal. Maybe heals himself a very low amount. Which could lead to a soft lock though. Because if you have a very strong healing Orpling and then a very weak attacking one, and if their MPs are 0 and you cannot change to formations because you don't have any Orplings, that's a soft lock. Then one of the guys have to give up, which the enemy will never give up if he's a CPU, I guess. Okay, maybe we will ditch that idea and all of them do just a bite attack or something. But still... Nope, there are no. Or did you ever see Pokemon having a difficulty? I cannot think of any RPG that has a difficulty. The modern ones have a dynamic difficulty that scales with your level. Of course you can. If it at one point gets too hard, you just grind for levels and then you can beat it. As in any RPG. Well, that sounds like a you problem. It is. We are at the battle controller and go here, and then we should decide jump and so on. So this happens here. Which means I should also implement default attack. If the Orpling does not have enough MP, it uses a default attack. Which maybe could also be used by status effects, as in a status effect locking you from skills and you have to use your default attack. That could be something we could do. But I'm not sure if we should keep it as a default attack or if it's different per Orpling kind. But for now, let's do a default attack. Okay, so we decided that. Which means here at the get Orpling ability, we also have to check, does it have enough MP to actually do this ability data asset template? So this guy, the data ability asset template, needs an MP. Where's the template? And under abilities, of course. Here. So this guy needs an MP usage. And then I have to go to all the abilities and set that to something. What are you telling? Ah, that it is a you problem. Yes. Let's move on. Controller. Where was the charging? Abilities. Calculate. At front. Do charge animation. So first this goes, and then we decide on a charging animation and so on, and the listener will fired, blah blah blah. And we already checked what kind of ability we can do. The ability we have MP for, or we do the default, which we need to implement. And then we have to go to the listener. That goes to the... No, not that listener. The listener off. The waiting registration. That will fire for whatever. Do ability. Then we go to first ARPling. This thing. Where does that get fired though? This thing is the listener, right? Ability call loop, yes. So then here we go here, create ability, and oh, actually it's not here. No, I have to do it at the charge. Yeah. So this was correct. Not only do we pick here, we also subtract the ability MP. So it happens at the battle control, and that's funny. Maybe I should do a function for the ARPling itself that I can call here. So let's see. MP usage. Oh, okay. Why does that not have the MP usage? Did I write it wrong? MP usage. MP user. Did I not compile? MP usage. Ability data asset template. Ability data asset template. Usage. Did I type it wrong? I did. Is it wrote this way? USEAGE. No, it's not. Why is my brain telling me that I have to write it that way, but simultaneously telling me that's looking wrong. Fuck, man, my brain. I tell you. Anyway, here. And then we have the ARPling, which has this internal stat which needs the MP. Where is it? MPUs. And then a stat get. By this. So this guy with the local ARPling with maximum MP. Woo! Holy shit. So if this minus this is greater or equal than the MP usage, then we go to true. Then we go to true here. If false, we get a standard default whatever, so we don't implement that yet. This goes in here. But if true, we have to get the MP usage. Set MP use by this plus the usage and add it here. True. And that should already work for our MP usage. Of course, for UI purposes and so on, I need to make it a little smart to indicate a change with an animation or something where the bar moves. That's something else. Let's do this. Print error. Yes, we don't have MP anymore. This goes in here. This goes in here. Then you go to which ability should we test? More importantly, do we have enough MP for the tomates and shroomy? What's our base? Fire, tomati. Base is 80. That's good. And earth 60. Okay, so we have enough. We just need to set the water ability, no, the fire ability. Fire, fire, fire. Fire tests. Fire test. Huh? MP usage. Let's see, 40. So after the second turn, our Tomati, which is surviving, will not be able to use the ability. Oh, wait, I'm killing the enemy before. So, okay, we go just to lightning and then see if the enemy can use. We could also just go to crystal and defend any attack. Okay, let's do that. Okay, we switch to crystal. And then we would need to find this guy. Ah, no, I cannot look at their stat because they are in the hidden level, which is still a problem. Yes, the red blob is Tomati. So first round. Second round should also work. Because now we are at 80, but they have like 80 MP. And now, if I press again, we should get an error message. Hopefully. Ah, it does it still. Maybe I was just wrong with my assumption. They could be higher level, but I don't think I put a higher level Orpling there. Tomati, our Tomatis have how much? I did not expose the value, or did I? Did I? No, I did not enter. They're still going. Shit. Fire. Usage 40. Did I even save it? Did I save it? I did save it. So if maximum minus MP use is greater than the usage of the ability, then it's true. Then we use MP, which is MP usage plus this guy. And then it goes to use. Makes sense in my head. Why doesn't it work? Let's try it again. First one charging should be the enemy. The breakpoint will tell us the Tomati. Crystal, enter. Alright, so Returned for... What? What? Ah, yeah, the usage is 0 and this is 40. But how is this 4,000, 400? That's fishy. That's fishy. That's very fishy. Where are the orblings again? Not here, right? Where do I have the orblings? Here. Island Tomati 1 is 1. Little controller. Orpling, internal stats, maximum MP. Correct. Visual. Here, Tomati. MP growth. Growth for... Uh-oh, is this multiplying? 80 multiplied by 5 would be 400. Uh-oh. Let's check. Hoppling, stat to return. Growth, base. Level. Maybe I should go here and then look what's going on. So, 3. That value is 3. What? Huh? Why is this 3? What did we get here? Speed? Ah, wait. We are at the turns. Now, there we go. But why didn't it go here? Okay, I need a breakpoint here. And the breakpoint here goes away for now. Come on. Alright. So, we will break here. Then, since I don't trust Unreal, we do this. Entity, blah blah blah. Go here. There we go inside. MP growth. Maximum. MP max, it should go here. So we go out. AT. Grow 5. And what happens inside here? Base multiplied by level 80 with growth 5. This was always wrong. Or was it? This This is wrong. This should be level multiplied by growth move pin plus alright, I will soon also stop. And this goes in here without this. Right? Level multiplied by growth. I guess I will change this anyway because sometimes I don't want a stat to grow or something. Maybe I have to curate this too. You too. And then this is more correct right now. Base 80 plus level multiplied by growth 5. 80 plus 5, 85. Yeah, 85. And modifier 0. Truncate. Perfect. Okay, so this should be now working. And I expect only 3 rounds to last. So we go, let's say Bristol. Right. Base, level, growth. Oh, it's just 2. But this is speed. This is just for the round. We go here. Here. Start. Okay. Then next. And when I press enter now, we should get an error. There we go. Good. MP usage works. So I guess next time we have to come up with a standard attack. Default one. Let's integrate this to the code first. No, this is spaghetti. Let's see. There. That should be fine. Alright, so we have to implement this. Let's write that. We already have. This one is done. And MP usage is kinda done. But we need the default attack. And then we could go for our resurrect. And then we will tackle the rest, I guess. Step by step. This is getting smaller. Alright guys, I'm done for today. Thanks for everyone for tuning in. Thanks for the support. And I will see... Neko is still here. So much progress. I'm not sure about so much. I wanted to do the resurrection today too, but I guess I had to think things through, and I still didn't think things through. But yeah. Anyway, thanks Neko for coming. And I guess I see you guys next time. Bye bye.